Here's a short video on how to connect eWelink to Amazon Alexa. First things first, ensure you have your login details for Alexa. Click on the plus icon, add device, then click on the paperclip on the top right-hand corner. Then, of course, click on the Amazon Alexa link. Then smash the link to Amazon Alexa button. The circle of procrastination. It spins, so you don't have to. Okay, now we're going to sign in with our Alexa email address. Let's put that in. Click continue. Okay, I had a little bit of a mess here with the recording, so I just cut some stuff out. I'm sure all of you would want to see me putting in incorrect details and so on and so on. As you can see, I requested an OTP. Send me my OTP, put that in, click sign in. It's not stuck, it's just thinking really hard. And that's it. That's simple. Couldn't be easier. Now, if you go to your Alexa app, you should see all your eWelink devices. If this video helped, clap that like and subscribe button like it owes you money. And I will see you in the next video.